And our beloved lessons to everyone for our daily verse. We are now at Exodus chapter 40 in verse 34 up to verse 38. Suddenly, the sacred tent was covered by a thick cloud and filled with the glory of the Lord. And so Moses could not enter the tent. Whenever the cloud moved from the tent, the people would break camp and follow. Then they would set up camp and stay there until it moved again. No matter where the people traveled, the Lord was with them. Each day, His cloud was over the tent, and each night a fire could be seen in the cloud. So this passage is about the manifestation of God's physical presence through His glory, through the cloud. So we notice that the Lord is indeed consistent. Fire by night and cloud by day. And yes, the Israelites is fully aware that it is the Lord's presence. The fire by night and the cloud by day. So, it is God's presence. See, they felt the physical presence of God. So now the question is, can we still felt that same level of manifestation of the presence of God? Yes, we are fully aware that nowadays, since we belong to the New Testament era, we no longer see the fire or the cloud that represent the presence of God. But we can still feel His presence in the midst of us. You see, all throughout human history, there is always divine intervention. So that is evidence of the presence of God. And even now, we can still experience the divine intervention.